In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an API key on WhiteBIT. An API key allows third-party applications, trading bots, portfolio trackers, and other supported services to securely connect to your WhiteBIT account. When creating an API key, you can choose exactly what permissions it has, helping you control how external applications interact with your account. To begin, tap your profile icon on the top navigation menu and access your account settings. From there, navigate API Keys section. This is where you can create, view, and manage all of the API keys associated with your account. Once you're on the API management page, select Generate API Key. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for the key and configure the permissions for the API key. WhiteBIT lets you choose which actions the key is allowed to perform. Depending on your needs, you can enable permissions such as viewing account information, accessing balances, placing and managing orders, or other available API functions. Only enable the permissions that are necessary for the application you're connecting. After reviewing your settings, confirm the creation of the API key. For security purposes, WhiteBIT may ask you to complete two-factor authentication or another verification step before the key is generated. Once the API key is created, you'll receive both the API key and the secret key. Store the secret key in a safe location immediately, as it is typically displayed only once and cannot be viewed again later. If you lose it, you'll usually need to create a new API key. And that's how to create an API key on WhiteBIT.